If, in short, there is hell on earth,
If there's a hell on earth, it's right here in this forest belt. They're all ours, no Ukrainians. It's like a horror movie. Armor, helmets, first aid kits everywhere. A Russian serviceman recorded a video showing a forest belt of death.
if, in short, there is hell on earth, Penn, here's the book. This is just a mess. Here's another one. The ground is loose. Also ours. The smell. You can't get used to this smell. There they are. Mass grave. Here's another one. Here they lie. These are all ours. No couples. Another one. Over there. Another one. 1, 2. There's the third. He held down. I'm screwed twice. 2 more. 1, 2. The hell is visible under the snow? Coffee horror. Armor. Helmets. Damn it. Everywhere. First aid kits.
This is a fragment of the Step to Dream program on the Russian First Channel. Russian actor Dmitry Khrustalyov took children from occupied Makiivka, Donetsk region to a tank range where they shot at enemies of Russia. This is the indoctrination of Ukrainian children, pure and simple.
I wish the Guard Privates Stolyov Club for training the boys from Makiivka as part of the tank crew. Arrived! Young heroes of our fatherland, ready? Yes, sir! As they say, always ready! Ready! Always ready! Get into the combat unit! May I join the ranks? Yes, sir! In the ranks, this same fighter! 1, 2, 3! Vladimir Mikhailovich Solyev, call Krustov, I say! Comrades, young heroes of the fatherland, climb onto the tank!
Ready against Russia's enemies, armor-piercing true Russian tankers from Makiivka. Fire! Hurrah, comrades!
Fisherman! Fisherman! Fisherman!
Russia illegally detains over 20,000 Ukrainian civilians, exceeding the number of Ukrainian prisoners of war. This was stated by Maxim Butkevich, a human rights activist, journalist, and soldier recently returned from Russian captivity, during hearings in Pace dedicated to the topic of Ukrainian prisoners of war, journalists, and other civilians held in Russian captivity. In addition to Butkevich, Crimean Tatar Leni Umerova and Ukrainian Marine, Mariupol defender Yulian Pilipiev also shared their stories of being in Russian captivity. Russians persecute civilians for cooperating with the country of which they are citizens. People confess to what they are accused of because they are subjected to torture. Butkevich said, according to him, the occupiers in the occupied territories also practice preventive arrests, detaining Ukrainians who previously served in the armed forces, worked in the police, were officials, or employees of local self-government bodies. The 412th Nemesis Separate Battalion of the Unmanned Systems Forces, in their hunt for air defense systems, destroyed yet another Russian Tor air defense system. This is very bad for Russia because a relative cheap drone is destroying expensive air defense system. A Russian tractor carrying a tank was attacked and smoked out. According to the soldiers, the driver didn't get injured. Ukrainian drone tactics are redefining modern warfare, turning small, inexpensive UAVs into precision strike weapons that neutralize Russia's heavy armor. What once relied on expensive guided munitions or artillery now comes in the form of swarming FPV drones, capable of hunting tanks, APCs, and supply convoys with deadly accuracy. Russian forces, once confident in their armored superiority, now face relentless attacks from above. forcing adaptations like improvised cage armor, electronic warfare measures, and constant relocation. Yet, Ukraine's innovation in drone warfare is outpacing these defenses, making every Russian vehicle on the battlefield a vulnerable target. Ukrainian Ukrspec Systems has unveiled a new version of the Shark-M UAV, which has received a number of improvements to ensure an advantage on the battlefield. The Ukrainian manufacturer of reconnaissance UAVs of the Shark series has presented a new model that has a record flight distance of up to 420 kilometers and an extended flight duration of up to 7 hours. The designers managed to achieve such parameters by integrating new batteries with 170% higher capacity. Thanks to the modernization of the radio modem and antenna equipment, the maximum communication radius has more than doubled to 180 kilometers. The longer range will allow the crews to operate beyond the reach of enemy weapons, and new hardware and software solutions ensure stable operation even in the face of GNSS disruption, GPS spoofing, or attempts to intercept control signals. The developers shared with Militarny that the new Shark-M is now capable of performing the tasks of older systems such as PD-2. It performs the same functions as PD-2, ACS-3 from Ukrainian Skyton, Latvian Penguin, or Portuguese AR-3 Takever. And if PD-2 is a universal platform, Shark-M was created as an advanced reconnaissance vehicle, and it is the reconnaissance efficiency that we sought to maximize. It provides both reconnaissance and tracking of targets for further correction, both artillery and attack drones, as well as objective damage control and constant monitoring of designated areas. Another important point, despite the fact that this is a new product with new parameters, there will be no need to retrain the crews. The entire infrastructure and software remain the same, so the Shark-D crews will easily switch to Shark-M. To summarize, our main goal was to give a smaller UAV the capabilities of a high school student, increasing its efficiency and survivability. For the same money, which is enough for only one higher-class system, you get 3 times the number of UAVs, the company representative stated. The cost of the system can vary significantly depending on the configuration. Specific figures are not disclosed, but the cost of the aircraft itself has increased by about 20%. It's important to understand that ground equipment is reusable and has been used for years, while drones are consumables. Consumables should remain as affordable as possible. This is the logic of wartime, and it is our logic today.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.